Hey, welcome into SpenCertified. Spencer here, and I wanted to share with you this really cool CD player that we got in. It is one of the very first Pioneer CD players that were available. It was manufactured in March of 1985, and the first one that came out was in 1982, so this was among the first ones. It's got a pretty basic design on the front. You've got your clicking power button, and then you've got open and close, and then memory and repeat. And then you can adjust the display mode. It's also got program play and then start, which will work with program play. And then you've got your play button, skip forward, skip backward, pause, scan forward and scan backward, and stop. And you can see that this control right here, it looks like one button, but it's actually a directional pad for 4 different buttons, which is really unique. And on the back of it, you've got auto function for connecting it to your system, and then your standard audio connections. And the model number of this machine is P-DX700. That was a quick overview of this basic, original, Pioneer, old school CD player. If you're looking to get one of these, you can get it from our website at SpenCertified.com, and you can order online or over the phone. I hope you liked this video. Please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.